Hey, this is Ben. I'm a team lead here in Omaha, and I'm going to walk you guys through this concrete repair project. We'll take that one out. All right, ready? One of the first steps we have to do today is remove all this failing caulking. We'll do that in preparation to apply new caulking later on down the road. So now we've got our caulking removed in the area. We've gone ahead and drilled some holes. The next step in the process is to get some foam underneath of these slabs, because once we get lift, we'll want to fill all that empty void space we've created in the back. So we've wrapped up foam on the driveway. We've gone ahead and pressure washed the driveway really well and applied Sealant Pro. You can see the driveway is green now. The minute the concrete dries, the green does go away. So today we are laying Nexus Pro in all the joints and all the cracks. This will keep water at bay and ensure that our concrete's going to stay up for the long run. One of the last things we have to do on this driveway is fill all of the drill holes we made. We got a little concrete patch here. Stick it in the hole, shove it on down, wipe away the excess, and by the time that concrete dries, you'll hardly ever know it's there. We're just about to put a wrap on this customer's driveway, and we got foam under the entirety of the driveway. Washed everything real good, applied Sealant Pro, and then we installed Nexus Pro. The customer could rest assured the concrete's not going to move. It'll look good, it'll last, and they did not have to replace their concrete, and that's a wrap.